Mega Z. Yeah, if you're that to me, there was 7 o'clock. Why was me now? We need be a few when you blog. Oh, die castle now, we fear red show attitude. Yami demon to not ready rat plot. Same with him that I send every Friday. Yeah, the son of Yami Titi beat in a potosana mopeno. When you are Jimmy Hona, subscribe to me channel and then share. As I would admit the channel, yeah. It didn't make born already, no money me down. And to me, I know what's a mechanic young po. But if you are saying when it's a my ninja, or Jenny Sanda Musi Fandom in a Yemi Humpo. Mokama Komatoma Yahyiahyia Aba Anamoah and I see who be the Yamaba. Salady when I gonna make my body DP, make a be beer, but more than a friend anywama. 19 June 78, and our war, number bois, when they come take a look. When it's ya that I say me be in same be a beer, I would try my but obey the land with the hook. Brana was one and I should love to read them all. Now, penny father send power for that, I'm sure. If it's an father recommend the books some more. Brana and mamma pen the kitchen, I know I just love. Be a junior high, now what was GNC. Free and father pen the dark clothes. First see, I know what do I share and an income. Or report to my Hindu, me such a wanna live though. Oh, fine, and I write a proposal and send it to the mistress. They get that she could do that. Wow, 3 pages and they struck them. One bad and anchor, a whole science student, I'm glad. There was a GBC tour on our coin. Now our journey said, well, Beshi Ababra Gazy, yes. But unfortunately, far home, studio Hone Yamana Quenya for a script in Ibi. After that, Charlie found out the girl was good. Can I make you represent? I was saying, oh, why not? Was a huge opportunity for a girl like you. And salary, year later, pen I signed off. Yes, that 110 was. Now we're Emuso Wabeya Juma TV. It's your new one, I was share El Ankra. And I'm also not the copy of GTV. And I'm then became an announcer. Later with the TV3 show with the diva. State of affairs that she hosted on GH1. Premier League for a man. I was on a young committee member. Then she moved on without setback. Came for SCA party, I was, oh yeah. As an ebe who there will be pulling the range of an enormous and Juma Panena no pay. Nana back or twice or Gimpa. Later graduated in finance and the banking. This I need to make a lake and it to jump. I was a son of Mecca. How do I start it? Okay, Glitz Africa was 2018 of a TV personality France second day. Development show host 2018 RTP and also one with say don't pay. Excellence media in honest. Ghana women of the same year honest. Looking at the effort I will use to my Ghana for the feeling now. Yeah, that she need to be honest. Nana is a single mother with the boy and the general manager of GH1. And it doesn't matter what you say, she's happy with the one that she has. Money to her 1-1. She's good in making donations, of course. And I made the Bobby see her. Oh, sure, I'm done. Next episode, Instagram, when I'm leaking the follow or honey whenever you want more. Bunch large.